Hi. I'm going to talk about how to get a girl to like you by doing it the alpha male way. We've all had that special woman in our lives, you know, the one with the sweet personality, the really nice hair and a perfect face. She dates the more adept guys, but how can you get her to like you? While men are primarily attracted to women based on their looks, a woman finds a man attractive because of his personality. The ideal man is an alpha male who's confident in himself and not afraid to take the lead to get what he wants out of life. Ironically, what this means is that the best way for a girl to like you is when she feels like she has earned you. That's because to get a girl to like you, you should come from a mindset of high value. Never come from a position of neediness. So the best attitudes to have towards any one particular woman are nonchalance, non-attachment to whether she likes you or not. By that I mean, if she likes you that's awesome, but if not, there are tons of other chicks out there who are equally as great as she is. The bottom line is that a woman should never be a challenge for you. Instead you should be a challenge for her. In addition to placing a high value on yourself, you can also eliminate neediness by building up your social network. Make friends with as many women as you can. Forget about what you heard from other guys. Women are easy to make friends with. Also date as many women as you can. Don't restrict yourself to dating only that one special girl. You see, the last thing you ever want to have going through your mind when you're around that special woman is, God, I must have this girl. She's irreplaceable. Having an abundance of women in your life will solve that problem. Also, whenever a woman sees that other chicks are attracted to a guy, she too feels attraction. Psychologically, this is known as the social proof phenomenon, and it's much more powerful in women than men. Ever noticed how your female friends drool over the guy at the corner of the bar who's got 4 babes at his table? That's social proof in action. By the way, it's fine to think a girl is beautiful and to have powerful feelings for her. Here's the key though, you must always remind yourself that there are lots of other women out there who are just as wonderful as she is. If you start thinking that any girl is one of a kind, then that gives her power over you, and, ironically, makes her lose attraction to you. So, you're free to think that a woman's amazing, just remember that lots of other girls are amazing too. That way you won't become needy. So remember, place a high value on yourself, make her earn your attention, and hang out with as many women as possible. Those are the 3 secrets for how to get a girl to like you. Check out John Alexander website. He is the developer of How to Become an Alpha Male, a seduction success system for men. Discover the excitement and pleasure of having gorgeous, horny women automatically drawn to you like a magnet. Click the link below this video in the description box for more details today. Thanks for watching. Please see my link in description for more information. Bye.